Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha Road Safety Week 2026 Kamari Leinana Indian Oil Corporation Limited SEKMAI bottling plant SEKMAI LEIBA tanker truck crew AMADI pack truck drivers ki DAMAK ngasi HAZARDOUS-CUM-REFRESHER training program ama Indian Oil Corporation Limited SEKMAI bottling plant AWANG SEKMAI ngasi PANGTHOKKHRE hariba program asi School of Driving and Automobiles Technology Sodat AMADI Indian Oil Corporation Limited SEKMAI bottling plants na punna khutsam naraga sinbani resource person oina Navachandra Singh Director Manipur Fire Service BK Sharma retired Joint Director Transport Department Government of Manipur Rohenjit Singh Mechanical Engineer Amadi Hanagi MGT Tata Motors Imphal Head Mechanic Bora Manager LPG Safety SEKMAI Bottling Plant Sub Inspector CH Hem Chandra DTO Imphal West Amadi Said Khan DTO Imphal East Jayanta Second Officer Traffic Police Government of Manipur Amadi Thangzam Ivo Chauba President of Sodatna Saruyaki